Good morning, everybody. This is Angela here at Stamp After Sunrise, trying to get the lighting set up. I totally forgot to turn the light on. Had to shut the window because the sun's shining in on the stamps. So anyway, I am here. Haven't had coffee or tea, anything yet. But we are going to make one of the cards that's included in the SASK club, the Stamp After Sunrise Kit Club. That's what SASK is for. Don't forget, the 20th is the last day to sign up for the May kit, and it is featuring the He's All That, okay? And I'm going to make one of the cards. What do you get in the club? You're going to get a kit that makes 5 of these cards, but you see there are 12. So you're also going to get the tutorial that makes additional 7 more. We include a complete supply list, and I'll give you that supply list before when you sign up. And it includes a swag bag of about $15 of product, okay? You're going to get the tutorial, you're going to get a video showing you how to make the 5 cards. So you can order the He's All That bundle. I would suggest it. It's a little easier to make them when you have what it's using. But today I'm going to make one of these cards. So which one am I making? I'm making this one. So let's get this started. But again, that's the SASK Club this month, featuring He's All That. So, and this is the bundle. Great stamps, great dies. You can use these. These are going to be on my list to use all the time, not just with this bundle. And hold on, I got to turn this fan off. Oh, it's chilly here this morning. And the designer paper is fabulous. I would highly recommend adding that on so you can complete the other cards as well. It is quite fabulous. So what I have is basic black and 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I did not cut my inside piece. I'll have to do that later. All right, so we're going to set this. No. We can go ahead and add this. This is Sahara Sand, and I embossed it with that brick mortar embossing folder. Did that already. These cards are really easy. When you get the kit of 5 and everything's cut for you, I mean, what you do is stamp them and put them together. Sometimes, like this one piece that we'll die cut today, you would need to stamp and die cut that, you know, but most, if anything can be die cut before stamping, I do that for you. All right, so now that's our base. We'll set this aside to dry, and we're going to go ahead and build the other layers. So this is really easy here. This is part of that designer paper. See this side with the Cajun Craze stripes is really awesome too. But I'm actually going to be sending this card to my son for Father's Day. And since he is in the food industry, I thought this was really appropriate. Okay. Alright, so we've got this. And we've got these 2 layers. Again, just Sahara Sand and black. This whole kit does not use a lot of different colors. A lot of black, Sahara Sand, Cajun Craze, and Soft Succulent, I think is the color, or Mint Macaron. I think it's Soft Succulent. Maybe a little bit of both. They blend well together. There's that piece. I forgot my embellishments. Okay. And then I need a sentiment strip. So drop a piece in the floor. Let's see where it went. Oh. Okay, this is the only stamping we're doing. This little arrow with the love the sky. I think I can put it on here and see it. Let's hope. Oh, I'm going to move this up here so I can see where the white is. Hopefully I got that. Yeah. And we'll die cut that. the Benji out here. Wash that for later. Out. Let's see, there's a little arrow here for this little die. Oops, kind of didn't get it straight there, but we can fix that quick and easy. Put my die back. Just trim this down a little bit. Okay. So what you do when your die moves on you. Alright, let's get Ben out of the way here. Let's finish. So we've got our base, we've got this. So what I did, you know, Angela, I took and layered my linen thread across here. And I'm going to do it 3 times, but I'm not going to wrap it. That's just, to me, it's just a waste. So I double that, I triple that. I knew how long I needed it. Okay. So now I have a 3-piece, even though it's looped. I'm going to go in the back. I do need my seal. You to do this. Just tag that down. I do them kind of together, so squish that. There, that's better. See? Oops, that one didn't quite get long enough. Didn't quite get them even. That's okay. It's reaching. It's gonna tack. There, plenty of room. Okay, so this is gonna go on here, just so. Okay. I'm going to tack that down good. And then I took another piece and tripled it. Make sure you get it where you can tie it. My first one I did a little short. I do about 2 inches or so. I have a chipmunk who seems to want to be on my patio. Oh my gosh, he has found a way in. Alright, so again, you don't have to cut it. I just tripled it. Tie this around. Knot it. Trim them off. Kind of short. And then just kind of, fluff them. Alright, so on this is simply going to pop. Hold on. He has found a way in to my patio. It's not making me happy. I'm looking for my dimensionals. I do not see them. Oh, perfect. I have black ones. That's perfect. I don't know why I don't use them more when I'm doing the black and darker colors. Okay, so here we go. can't even see that they're there. All right, so then this goes here. Best Dad just simply pops on there. And when you buy the black dimensionals, they come with the regular size I just used and the minis. So this will go on here. And that, my friends, is our card. Oops, I don't want that dimensional there. I want it here. There we go. There. I can add, I added some metallic rustics, which is something you would get the linen thread. You would get these. Oh, let's just go and grab them. A few minutes here. If I can reach them. Alright. These are the rustic metallic adhesive back dots. You get a pack of these in your swag bag. You'll get some linen thread. I'm not sure what else. Some designer paper, extra, some of these little labels. Okay, here's these bigger ones. Just put that right there. And that is our card for today. Okay, again, it's one of the cards that is in the SASKClub. Alright guys, we're always needing masculine cards. And this is your chance to get patterns for 12 and 5 kits, 5 card kit. Alright. I will see you. I unfortunately will not be here tomorrow. I have to go early in the morning and do some blood work. So, but I will be back here on Thursday. And since I'm missing tomorrow, maybe I'll do Friday. We'll see. All right, how the schedule goes. All right, have a great day and let the sun shine in your heart.